Your unit tests pass. Your app still breaks. Why? Integration testing verifies that multiple components work correctly together, where unit tests check a single function in isolation. Integration tests combine several units and confirm they cooperate as expected. When you connect your modules, integration tests make sure the connections actually hold. Think of the testing pyramid. Unit tests at the bottom check individual functions in isolation. End-to-end tests at the top drive the full application like a real user. Integration tests sit in the middle. They wire two or more components together and verify their interactions. Integration tests focus on the boundaries between your components, the APIs, interfaces, and data flows that connect them. Does the service layer correctly query the database? Does the API endpoint pass the request body before passing it to your business logic? These are integration concerns. A classic integration test spins up your user service with a real test database, calls the create user endpoint, and checks that the record was actually inserted. This catches bugs that unit tests miss, like a field name mismatch between your model and your database schema, or an API that silently drops required parameters when calling a downstream service. Integration tests fill the gap between unit and end-to-end tests, catching the bugs that live in the connections between your components. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.